In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your search and browsing history in Mozilla Firefox. Let's begin. To clear everything very quickly, one of the best option is by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. Now, this shortcut works on Windows and it brings up the Clear Recent History window instantly. Again, you have the ability to choose the duration. You can choose from the last hour, last 2 hours, and last 4 hours. Or if you wanted, and if you are sure, you can choose everything. But of course, in this case, we are just going to check all these and click the clear section. Okay, so I'm not going to do that right now because I am going to show you another way. Now, from here, go to the top corner where you can see the 3 horizontal lines. Go to the settings and of course go to privacy. Scroll down until you see the cookies and site data section and go to the clear browsing data. It is similar to the option that we have shown you earlier. All right. And again, check all the boxes that you want and choose the duration. Once everything is set, and you are sure, click the OK or Clear Now button and Firefox will immediately delete your search and browsing history. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.